You are welcome to the fourth topic in the JSS3 scheme of work. And the topic is equation. That is simple equation 3. By the end of this topic, you should be able to understand the following. Definitions of terms, clearing fractions, fraction with unknowns in the denominator, word problem involving fractions, fractions with one binomial in the denominator, fractions with two binomials in the denominator, fraction with one binomial in the denominator, and other forms of unknowns in the denominator. Formula and substitution, linear form of formula, quadratic form of formula, change of subject dealing with equations without square root, change of subject dealing with equation with square root. It is expected that at the end of this topic, you should be able to solve problems on the itemized learning objectives. Thank you.